Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your Zoom account from your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Zoom account from Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty normal to switch providers. So maybe you want to go ahead and remove your Zoom account from Pipedrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove your Zoom account and uninstall it, you're going to click on this puzzle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you just want to scroll down until you see all apps and look for the Zoom logo right here. Go ahead and click on the Zoom logo. Okay, so here it's going to bring you to the Zoom meeting settings, as you can see right here, and it's in green, so it's authorized. And in order to remove this from your Pipedrive, click on uninstall. It's a red button. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to uninstall Zoom from your Pipedrive? Click on uninstall. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Zoom meetings has been uninstalled. So if I wish to use Zoom meetings with my Pipedrive, I will need to re-add that in the future. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove Zoom meetings from Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.